Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about the levels tool. This one right here. So we import the image we will work on. Then we go to the adjustments menu right here. If you don't have the adjustments menu, make sure to check it in the window menu and it will appear in here. As I said, window, and make sure to check the adjustments menu. First we unlock the image layer, then we go to the levels tool. Then we edit the image like this. As you see, we have here the black color, the gray color, and the white color. Take a look at the difference, how the image was and how it became. A huge difference. Now we get another image. Same thing, we unlock the image layer, then we go to the levels tool and we edit the image like this. I keep editing the image until I get the results I want. Take a look at the difference now. How it was and how it became. So that's it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.